what is affiliate marketing? What is affiliate marketing? Now, if you don't have a good understanding of what affiliate marketing is, then make us some time to watch this video. At the end, we'll be talking about what is exactly what is affiliate marketing, what you need to understand, and how you can start now to know about it, with also the different types and cons of how you can move about it. So, affiliate marketing simply is the business of selling the products or services of an individual or a company in order to receive a reward of income for a negotiated or defined commission. Are you hearing me? So this is partnership market. It is buying, is the selling, not buying, the selling of other people's products for a commission. It could be a product, it could be a service. Yeah. For example, when you go to ClickBank, which is an affiliate network, some affiliate networks have products and services. You know, it's just like a school where there are different courses, different things that people come there to learn. They have, you know, class 1, class 2, primary 5 and primary 6. So they have different services and opportunities that they are selling, and different classes and different products. So you help them advertise it to your audience or a set of people, and when they purchase it through you, and which is the confirmation is through the app link, when they purchase it through, you are bound to get a percentage of the purchase. That's why I see 50% purchase, which actually means 50% commission, 50% of the price. So it's a highly rewarding and user-friendly business model once you understand how it works. So in the first part, we're talking about what is affiliate marketing, which we have talked about. Now, what are your fears about affiliate marketing? One, you don't need to be afraid about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is not something to be afraid of. It's just like a business or any other business that people do. It's not something to be scared of, something anyone can do. If you learn and understand how it is, just like trying to learn how the machine works. Once you understand how it operates, it's easy from then to use it again and again. So that's where the trick is understanding how it works, and partnership is what makes it work. Yeah, partnering with brands, partnering with companies. Yes. So watch out for part 2, where we'll expand more on affiliate marketing and how it works. Watch it.